कोभिड-19 बाट बच्दै गर्ने सेफ मेन्टेन गरेर ल। अनि के पढ्ने त भन त,
त्यही बायोलोजी
के
सुरु
पढ्ने
गर्ने बायोलोजीबाट।
ल ल ल अब 10 मा गयो हैन?
यस सर।
ल अनि कसको म्युजिक बजिरहेको छ यसरी?
कहाँबाट बजिरहेको थियो थाहा भएन।
ल एकचोटि सजेस्ट गरिदिँदा हुन्छ साथीलाई यस्तो नबजाउनु भनेर।
सबैजना सुनिरहेको छ सर, सबैको अनम्युट छ।
ए अनम्युट छ, ल ल सुन। विकास तिमी त त्योमा पढिरहेको थियो ग्रुपमा हैन? विकास अनि के भयो?
यहीँ छ सर, सुनिरहेको छ।
अब यही छ। कतिजना हो अहिले यहाँ क्लासमा?
अहिले 4-5 जना छ सर, 6 जना छ।
4-5। ओके ओके लिसन। ल धीरजलाई सोधिरहेको छ यहाँ क्वेसन कि कहिलेदेखि 8 को स्टार्ट हुन्छ भनेर हो।
के भन्नु सर?
एकजना साथीले सोधिरहेको छ कि धीरज दाजु 8 क्लासको कहिले हुन्छ भनेर।
8 को अब अहिले साइन्स भइरहेको छ, यसपछि 8 को हुन्छ, 9 10 को भइहाल्यो।
ए ओके ल लिसन लिसन। About study topic you have understood or not? हिजोको कुरा बुझेछौ?
सर अलि एकचोटि रिपिट गरिदिनु सक्छ?
ल म सुरुदेखि भनिदिन्छु। बायोलोजी इज यो म्युजिक बजाउने एडभाइस गरिदिँदा राम्रो हुन्छ कि।
यो म्युट गरिदिउ सर सबैलाई?
गरिदेऊ, जति बेला जरुरी हुन्छ त्यति बेला अन गरिहाल्ने। अहिले डाइरेक्ट म्युट गरिदेऊ।
यसो भइहाल्यो सर, अब पठाइदिनु।
ल biology is made up from 2 words, bio plus logos. Bio means plant and animals, logos means study, so we can say study of plant and animals are called biology. Biology has 2 branches, botany, zoology. Botany, study of plants. Zoology, study of animals. Botany, first identified by Theophrastus. 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 Zoology was first identified by Aristotle. Aristotle. Now we have to study here first chapter, circulatory system. Then about system, first we have to grow from the cell. Cell means it is the structural and functional unit. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Group of cell is called tissue. Group of tissue is called organ. Group of organ is called system. There are 10 systems in our body. Among that, we have to study about only 3 systems for SE exam point of view. They are circulatory system, glandular system, nervous system. Circulatory system means, in Nepali we can say Rakt Sanchar Pranali. Rakt Sanchar Pranali. The system that helps in circulation. The system that helps in circulation are called circulatory system. Now circulation means the process of flow of blood from one organ to another is called circulation. The flow of blood from one organ to another is called circulation. The term circulation was first identified by William Harvey. William Harvey.
And
William Harvey. Now, circulatory system contains three organs: blood cells, blood vessels, heart. Blood cells, blood vessels, heart. First, we have to know about blood cells. Blood is made up from two substances. That is called blood cells. Second, plasma. First, blood cells. Second, plasma. Blood cells means RBC, WBC, platelets. Total percentage of blood cells 45%. 45%. Total percentage of plasma 55%. Total percentage of plasma 55%. Now we have to know about blood in detail, then after plasma in detail. About blood. Blood is called fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue means here, fluid means liquid. Liquid means water-like substance. Or in definition we can say the substance which make their own shape according to the substance we kept. In which substances, in which materials we have kept the substance, in same like their properties can be seen. भन्नुको अर्थ जस्तो वस्तुमा हाल्यो त्यस्तै त्यसको प्रोपर्टी देखा पर्छ। एकछिनको लागि पानीलाई बकेटमा हाल, बकेट सेप जस्तै हुन्छ। एउटा सानो बाटामा हाल, त्यो बाटा सेप नै हुन्छ। It means liquid has no any definite shape. It depends on how we kept and which bucket we kept. So that we can say fluid means liquid like substance. Connective tissue means have binding properties, connection properties with one another. Now here we have to study about what is the volume of blood. The average volume of blood is 5 to 6 liters. Then what is the percentage of blood? 7% of total body weight. 7% of total body weight. Then how we can calculate it? For example, some person weight about 70 kg. It means 7 into 70 by 100. 7 into 70 by 100. It means 4.9. If the person weighs about 70 kg, it means the person have blood 4.9 liter. If the person weight is 50 kg, if the person weight is 50 kg, it means 7 into 50 by 100. It means 350 by 100. It means 3.5 liter. 3.5 liter. So we can say the person having 50 kg. Janakpur. Deepak, if the person having weigh 50 kg, it means that person has blood 3.5 liters. I think now you can calculate yourself also what is the total percentage of blood in our body. That depends upon the 7% of our body weight. 7% of our body weight. Now here we have to know about what is the natural property of blood. The natural property of blood is slightly acidic, slightly acidic, or we can say alkaline property. Slightly acidic means you might have studied in chemistry pH value. pH value means suppose it's a line, then in between of that line, that is the 7 value. That 7 value is called constant value, and 7 value right side, that is acidic. 7 value front side, that is basic, and between that, that is the 7 constant value, that is natural, that is neutral value we can say. Then after we have to know here what is the pH of blood. Disturbance.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, listen. Then what is the pH value of blood? pH value of blood means 7.35. 7.35 to 4 point. 7.35 to 45. The pH value of blood. 7.35 to 45.